This is just wood and a few tools. But by the end of this, it will transform into something unexpected. It starts with a simple step: precise measurements. Every millimeter counts for what comes next. Drilling is not just about making holes. It is about creating connections strong enough to last years. Piece by piece, it takes shape. Every joint tells a story of care and craftsmanship. Good drilling there, patience, accuracy, a bit more drill. Details matter. Using a pocket hole jig creates invisible joins for a seamless look, while pre-drilling prevents the wood from splitting under pressure. For thicker pieces, step drilling allows you to gradually increase hole size without damaging the material. Whether you're working with softwood or hardwood, adjusting your drill speed and using the right bit ensures clean, professional results every time. It's not just about building a table. It's about creating something that feels personal, something that brings people together. From selecting the materials to the final polish, every decision adds a little more life to the design. And these are the moments it becomes more than just wood. Here I'm speeding up the footage a bit, different angles and multiple camera sections in the same view. Let's keep going. DIY projects like this are more than just tasks. They're a chance to create memories. Build it with family or friends, and it becomes an experience you'll always cherish. A smooth surface means no splinters, just comfort when it is finally used. Hard rain can test any design, so sealing the wood properly is essential for longevity. Adapt your approach to suit your environment, and your work will stand the test of time. Weatherproof, durable, and ready to shine outdoors. From raw materials to a centerpiece, an outdoor table built with intention, simplicity, and a love for craftsmanship. The choice of paint is just as important as the wood. A darker color brings out the grain, giving it depth and character. Painting isn't just about the surface. Carefully coating the inside and outside protects the wood against time and weather. Every brushstroke matters. Slow, even layers create a flawless finish that lasts for years. Make sure to spread the paint evenly. To take it a step further, consider fire sealing your wood for added durability. The ancient Japanese technique of shusugi-ban not only preserves the wood, but also gives it a striking, unique finish. Afterward, a coat of polyurethane locks in the protection, shielding the table from moisture, UV rays, and wear over time. This combination of traditional and modern methods ensures your table will last, even in the toughest conditions. The next minutes enjoy watching me paint it, better than watching paint dry. Few minutes, you'll see me do the finishing touches. Yes, that's a scorpion tattoo on my shoulder. In areas with harsh sun, heat, and dust like mine, it's important to choose weatherproof finishes and plan for durability. Remember, tools can be sharp and unforgiving. Always double check your setup, wear safety gear, and take your time to avoid accidents. Thank you for watching the video. Comment what have you made. Let us know which tools you used, how you made it. Did it last long and standing today? Subscribe if you enjoy quality made do-it-yourself projects.